go?
Where did it go? Where did it go?
What do you do with that?
He says, I already know how to chew, Grammy. I'm chewing. I am
Yeah.
chewing. Yes, I am. See, me too. Yes, sir. Just got any more of those? Where's that little tray area over there, Grammy? Put a couple, 3 in there. Huh? Tell Mama I can do it. It's all right.
Recently, he's been gagging on his...
Excuse me, you probably got my ear in there, didn't you? I'm sorry.